Hey launchers, quick review of Mission Control, those four icons pinned to the top of every screen. They are a mirror of what's on your plate from your dashboard. So unread messages, unanswered messages, reminders, and anything that you haven't yet given a status to. Now this is here at the top of your screen, on every screen, for a few reasons. One, we want you to be able to respond in real time, aka while the homeowners have their phones in their hand, waiting for a response from you. The other is to help you stay organized and keep your business scaling up and running smoothly. And then the third reason is just to make sure that you don't leave any leads behind. When you start going through your reminders, going through your those that you have not yet marked a status for, you'll often find that you looked at a message too quickly the day before and you find something in that message the next day that you didn't see previously. So it gives you a chance to review all those. So let's just take a hypothetical. You send out a batch in the morning, you go to your inbox, you work all of those leads, right? Everything has been dispositioned, everything has been put on a drip if they need to. You've called some of the homeowners, you've sent text messages to a lot of the others. You're done with your work for that batch. So you go up to the top of the screen and you click on unread. This is going to be pre-filtered for any of your unread messages. So was there anything that you missed from the day before or from an earlier batch that you sent that day? Then go over to your unanswered. Why are they unanswered? Is there anything that you need to follow up with? Some of them may just be the end of a conversation, but there may be others where you need a text that's going to transition before they get onto a drip campaign, or someone that you just feel like you're in the middle of a conversation and you need to take the next step with. Then you're going to move over to your reminders, see those that you've prioritized and those that you wanted to follow up with in the coming days. Then you're going to go over to your no status. You're going to find oftentimes in no status that there are leads that get left behind. So if you really comb through these every day after you send out your batches, you'll be able to find some really viable leads in there, give them a proper status, and follow up with them. Now, while you were doing all of that, you may have noticed that you got 2 new messages in the unread. These numbers are going to populate as those messages come in. So again, imagining the homeowner with phone in hand, waiting for your response, you're going to click back over to unread and stay on top of those leads, be the first person to respond, be the person that gets that deal from a homeowner who's ready to sell. So do pay attention to mission control. Do use it as part of your organizational process. Do use it as a way to filter through and make sure that you're not leaving any leads behind.